Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg Art, and today I'm gonna redraw another fan's artwork, and once again I'm gonna redraw a drawing from Albert. This is his GOGETA drawing, which is amazing. Very dynamic, eye-catchy, and the coloring is amazing. I love the reflection of the energy, the dark shading, especially the very dynamic pose and the raging face expression of GOGETA. Last time I redrew a Gohan Beast drawing of Albert, so he is an amazing artist, so make sure to check out his Instagram account. So guys, redrawing this will not be easy, and this one took me a lot of time, so let's enjoy the evolution of this drawing together right now. And before we start, due to Black Friday you will get a 25% discount for commissions and prints, but more of that in the end. Hit like, subscribe, and then we can start. Let's go. So guys, last touch and then Raging Gogeta is done. Man, this one was really tough. So much details, different colors, a dynamic pose and a full color paper sheet. But this one was really fun, even though it was hard to create, and I have to say I love the end result. I think everything turned out amazing and everything is on point. Overlaying the shading of the skin with the color pencil took so much extra time, but like this, the skin pops out so much, I love it. And big shoutouts to Albert for this amazing idea. He really did a great job and I will definitely redraw more of your great drawings, so make sure to tag me on Instagram so I can see them. So guys, how do you like the drawing? Let me know in the comments below. Also, hit like to push this video and subscribe if you are new. I will also upload this drawing on my real-time drawing channel, so check me out there as well. Now to the 25% discount for commissions and prints. Due to Black Friday, I decided to give my supporters a huge discount until the end of this month. That means whatever you want me to draw in any size, you will get a 25% discount for that. I got A5, A4, A3 and A2 size papers available, so don't matter if you are looking for a smaller custom piece or a huge one with multiple characters, everything is possible, so make sure to hit me up on Instagram so we can talk about your custom drawing. Also, the discount is valid for prints too, so check out the info box for all the links guys. Just a few days left until the discount is over, so let's go. That's it guys, thank you all for watching, and right here you can see my other fans art redraw videos, and I see you on the next video.